Hi y'all, welcome to the toy room. We got Eternia playset. We got the Titans bases transformed. Titans Transformers transformed. We got Omega Supreme with the world's smallest Transformers. We got Metroplex and Trypticon transformed up into base mode. There we got Terminus Giganticus, the blue version. Yes, y'all. Here at Heaven Toy, we got all these toys. Yes, y'all. I'm having an awesome summer. Really enjoying this heat wave. We got Ninja Turtles. Yes, y'all. These are hefty, high quality. I love these. Yes, y'all. We got the Thunder Tank with all the figures. Yes, y'all. Thunder Tank. All these stored away. We're gonna get the Cat's Lair maybe in October. Hopefully that early. That'll be awesome. We got the Party Wagon with all the figures stored away inside. Yes, y'all. That makes some room on my shelf and store all these figures in here. Got the tow cable in the back. That's a neat little toy, but it's not necessary. Yes, y'all. We got the Underground Arsenal, Turtle Wagon, Party Wagon, Turtle Van. We got lights. Yes, y'all. Loving this toy collection. Got all these figures in there. Got Bebop and Rocksteady and Scratch the Cat. Got it stored away nicely. Leave some room on my shelf. Turn off the lights. Store away nicely. Metalhead. We got G.I. Joe. Yes, y'all. More G.I. Joe coming soon. Yes, y'all. Got the tank. Got the helicopter. Yes, y'all. This is the toy collection. Remember the Heatseek missile system? I pre-ordered the Stinger. Maybe we'll do that all again. Yes, y'all. As you know, I've been showing off Fans Hobby Scourge, Arch Enemy. Yes, y'all. Masterpiece. I didn't put Masterpiece on the bases. Yes, y'all. In a future video, we will put the G1 and the Masterpiece on the bases. There's Fortress Maximus Head, Cerebros, Fans Toys Hannibal. Imagine that, a 4-foot Transformer. It's hard to imagine now. But they say they're going to do that in the future. We'll see. It'll be as big as Optimus. We'll see about that. I've been so far able to do my collection. Yes, y'all. So far, I've been successful at everything I wanted to collect. I've been able to get. But I don't know if can get 4-foot Transformers. And to transform it, and I'm running out of space. Yes, y'all. So, gotta wait and see if that's really possible. And I'm gonna go for it if I can. If I can get it, I will get it. And you guys will be first to see, first to know. I'm telling you now, I'm going to go for it, if it's possible. Yes, yes, y'all. Check out those nice lights. Got Optimus and the Matrix. Yes, yes, y'all. Optimus blue lights and his Matrix. We got oversized Transformers stored away on the shelf. Mega Constructs, we got to do a video on Mega Constructs. Waiting on the Technodrome. Pre-ordered that on Amazon. Yes, yes, y'all. Get back into these classics, TMNT retro reissues. But this is the latest buzz. Metroplex in base mode, Trypticon in base mode, and now today, Fans Toys Omega Supreme Terminus Giganticus in base mode. Yes, yes, y'all. And we're working with the WST Transformers. We're displaying them with these micro transformers to make a really big base mode. Yes, yes, y'all. I'm showing these off. I don't think any other channel has this collection. So I'm glad you guys subscribed. I'm glad you guys are tuning in. Yes, yes, y'all. Bigger and better. I'm gonna try to keep collecting, even though the space is running out of room. Got the Cat Slayer coming in October, so that's definitely gonna happen. So check that out. Yes, yes, y'all. We got G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe. We haven't done a G.I. Joe video in a while. It's gonna happen. Yes, yes, y'all. Such a golden one to show off my toy room. That is the collection today.